Hey guys, it's your girl, Brianna.
And Ollie.
Woo!
Woo!
First, I'm gonna thank Moose Toys for sending us this awesome toy. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Ollie, are you ready for this?
Yeah!
Let's get opening.
Open it.
Are you guys ready to see what's inside? Our ingredients are in this box, so let's get baking. Step 1, mix the batter with the water.
Wow. It kind of looks like sand. Because it smells like food actually.
Now we mix.
Are you ready, Brianna?
Of course I am. I was born ready.
I see the face.
Now we're gonna put package number 2 on our cake base.
It feels like Jell-O.
Perfect! This is what the cake and the icing is going to look like. Now it's time to put it in the freezer. It's ready!
Wow! We
We
got
got
a
a
cat!
cat! She smells so good. Ooh. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me and my sister. Until next time, bye!